June is National Home Ownership Month. For many people, home ownership goes well beyond just having a place to live. Home ownership is an accomplishment. It provides a sense of community, a chance to settle in and make a space your own. Of course, for many people, home ownership represents wealth building and a stable investment. Now is a great time to think about your goals associated with home ownership. You may be planning to buy your first home. You may be planning to buy your dream home. You might be interested in purchasing an investment property. Whatever your goal with home buying is, now is the perfect time for us to talk. We'll create a strategy about your goals and a plan so that when you're ready to make your next move in home ownership, you are prepared. June is a great time to get together, so let's talk. Reach out to me. I would love to help you accomplish your home ownership goals. I'm Greer Updegraft with Pearson Smith Realty, and I hope you have a great day and a wonderful month. Take care.